What is a proportioner dispensing station and how can it save your facility money? Watch and find out. So do you buy your bulk chemicals in 275-gallon BSTs or 55-gallon drums, 30-gallon drums, or 5-gallon buckets? We're constantly looking for ways to reduce our overhead costs related to consumables. Here's a solution for you. So this is a proportioner dispensing station. Woo! And quite simply, the way this works is it regulates the amount of chemical that is dispensed into your spray bottles, mop buckets, and scrubber carts, reducing wastage. So here is what this particular kit comes with. This one's made by Waxy. There's other manufacturers. Supply hose, the hose that goes down into the BST or drum, stickers to label your container. The main key to these proportioner valves is the different size orifices that you can install. These regulate the flow of chemical that mix with the water in your buckets and scrubber carts and spray bottles.
Wow.
This one simply mounts on the wall. Most of them do. They're easy to install. And you push the button, it dispenses the product into your container. And has a one-way check valve, hose connector that attaches to your water supply, screws onto a regular garden hose thread, hose bib. There's a dispensing handle you put together. There's a mounting plate for the wall. A close-up of the stickers. And get all the little fittings that come with it. So using a proportioner valve will greatly reduce your overhead cost and prolong the life of your expensive chemicals that you consume in your facility. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.